Alright, so I'm going to show you what the color picker option does in the design page. So when you upload an image or a logo of your own, and it also has a background color, and you don't know exactly what the color code of the background color is, then what you want to do is use the color picker here. And then once you see the color picker, you just drag it to the background of the uploaded image and drop, and it will show you a dialog showing you exactly the color of the background of the uploaded image. And all you need to do is just click on apply. Then the frame color also will change to match the background color of the uploaded image. Then by doing that, you can just um, make the frame color match the color of the uploaded image. There we go.